Welcome to ACE HVAC Engineers, provide central air cooling and ducting services. The company was incorporated in 1998 at Nagpur. Our advanced and sophisticated technology make us unique in the industry. Efficient after-sales services and international quality standards help us to serve clientele like IDBI Bank and Hindustan Times. We present a rich collection of industrial fan coolers, installation, insulation, and maintenance services. Industrial fan coolers, water chillers, and freezers offered by us are extremely reliable. We are known in the industry as the manufacturer of air cooling ducting and symphony industrial coolers. We present a unique range of air cooling, ventilation, and exhaust systems that are cost-effective. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of thermal, acoustical insulation and cooler designing services that are in huge demand across the global markets. Our installation, insulation, and maintenance services are setting a benchmark in the market. To get more details, please visit our website www.acehvacengineers.com.